Interior of the Earth. Highlights of the lesson. The Earth. The layers of the Earth. We learn. Where do we live? Yes, on the Earth. We all live on the Earth. But what is inside the Earth? Have anyone seen it? The Earth is made of different layers. Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and it is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is the only planet that has an atmosphere containing 21% oxygen. It is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface. It is the only planet in the solar system that has life. The outermost layer of the Earth is the crust. Do you know? Earth is 4.543 billion years old. It is about 35 to 70 kilometers thick and consists of the continents and water bodies. The next layer is the mantle and it is about 2,900 kilometers in thickness. The last layer is the core, which is separated into liquid outer core and solid inner core. When viewed from outer space, much of the Earth's surface cannot be seen because of clouds and of water vapor. The Earth takes 365 days to complete its orbit around the Sun. The planets closer to the Sun, Mercury and Venus, have shorter years than the Earth. The Earth is 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers from the Sun. Layer of the Earth diameter, the distance around its middle at the equator, is 7,928 miles or 12,760 kilometers. The Earth is larger than Mercury, Venus, and Mars, the planets closest to it. The Earth's interior. Layers of the Earth. Sea level. Crust. Mantle. Outer core. Inner core. Do you know? The inner core is about 3/4 the size of the Moon. Atmosphere. It is the gaseous envelope surrounding the Earth, held in place by gravity. It is a collection of 4 distinct layers and several intermediate layers. These layers start at ground level, measured at sea level, and rise into what we call outer space. Layers of the Earth. Troposphere. Stratosphere. Ozone. Mesosphere. Thermosphere. Exosphere. Ionosphere. Troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere and is also where nearly all weather conditions take place. Here, the air turns over in a constant up and down flow. Also in this layer, the air is hotter, closer to the Earth's surface and colder the higher up you travel. The bottom 1/3, that which is closest to us, contains 50% of all atmospheric gauges. Do you know? The troposphere contains 75% of the atmosphere's total mass. Ozone. The top edge of the stratosphere is abundant with ozone. Ozone is the byproduct of sun radiation and oxygen. By capturing the ultraviolet rays of the sun and deploying it, ozone takes out the harmful effects. Do you know? Ozone in the stratosphere absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Mesosphere. Above the stratosphere from 30 miles up to 50 miles is the mesosphere. This area reaches the coldest temperatures of all the atmosphere, going to 130 degrees and lower. Hence, meteors coming too close to the Earth burn up. Thermosphere. The last layer of the atmosphere is called the thermosphere and measured at 50 to 90 miles above Earth, contain less than 0.01% of all air within the atmospheric envelope. Exosphere. This is the highest region of the Earth's atmosphere and extends many miles into space. The exosphere is the layer in which the satellites orbit. Ionosphere. The very outer edge of the thermosphere is an area called the ionosphere and is not a separate layer. Let's recall. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The outermost layer of the Earth is the crust. The last layer of the Earth is the core. The Earth is larger than Mercury, Venus and Mars. The exosphere is the layer in which the satellites orbit. The top edge of the stratosphere is abundant with ozone. Stratosphere is the layer where most jet planes fly. The very outer edge of the thermosphere is an area called the ionosphere. Glossary. Atmosphere. It is a blanket of gases that surrounds Earth. Troposphere. It is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere. Stratosphere. The part of the Earth's atmosphere which extends from the top of the troposphere. Approximately. Nearly correct or exact. Abundant. Existing or occurring in large amounts. Mesosphere. It is a layer of Earth's atmosphere which is above the stratosphere. Thermosphere. The thermosphere is a layer of Earth's atmosphere that is directly above the mesosphere and below the exosphere. Exosphere. The uppermost region of the Earth's atmosphere and has no clear upper boundary. Assessment. 1. Answer the following question. 1. What is stratosphere? Answer. The stratosphere is the second major layer of Earth's atmosphere, located above the troposphere and below the mesosphere. It contains the ozone layer and extends from about 10 kilometers, 6 miles, to 50 kilometers, 31 miles, above Earth's surface. 2. Name the layers of the atmosphere. Answer. The layers of the atmosphere from lowest to highest are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. 3. What is the role of ozone in the atmosphere? Answer. Ozone in the atmosphere plays a crucial role in absorbing and filtering out ultraviolet (UV) radiation from the sun. This absorption protects living organisms on Earth's surface from harmful effects of UV radiation, such as skin cancer and damage to plant life. 4. What is the percentage of atmosphere does the Earth consists of? Answer. Earth's atmosphere consists of approximately 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases such as argon, carbon dioxide, and trace gases. 5. What is thermosphere? Answer. The thermosphere is the layer of Earth's atmosphere located above the mesosphere and below the exosphere. It is characterized by very high temperatures due to the absorption of solar radiation, although the density of air molecules is extremely low.